Welcome to StockInvest, your go-to channel for the latest market insights before the opening bell. Today, we are breaking down key developments shaping United States and global markets, from major technology earnings to crucial trade deals and Federal Reserve decisions. United States stock futures surged following impressive earnings reports from tech giants Meta Platforms and Microsoft. Their strong performance helped offset concerns after the Federal Reserve decided to keep interest rates steady. By early morning trading, Dow futures jumped 171 points, S&P 500 futures gained 64 points, and Nasdaq 100 futures surged 330 points. This optimism reflects investor confidence, especially in the technology sector. Wall Street ended mixed as investors digested the Federal Reserve's announcement to maintain current rates. The central bank highlighted a solid labor market and somewhat elevated inflation as reasons for holding steady. Economic data showed a slower increase in domestic demand, but private payrolls exceeded expectations, signaling resilience in the United States jobs market. Keep an eye on upcoming labor reports due later this week. In trade news, the United States and South Korea reached a new agreement. Washington will impose a 15% tariff on imports from South Korea, lower than the initially threatened 25%, easing some trade tensions. South Korea committed to investing $350 billion in United States projects and purchasing $100 billion in energy products, a move aimed at strengthening bilateral economic ties amid ongoing tariff negotiations. Despite the announcement, many details about the South Korea deal remain unclear, including financing structure and binding nature of commitments. Analysts are particularly watching how electronics and pharmaceutical exports will be treated. The Federal Reserve's decision to keep rates unchanged reflects a cautious approach amid economic uncertainty. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell emphasized the need to monitor ongoing economic conditions before making further moves. Notably, two Federal Reserve governors voted for a rate cut, concerned about a slowing labor market. This internal dissent highlights the balancing act the Federal Reserve faces between supporting growth and controlling inflation. Meta Platforms reported a strong quarter, with sales rising 22% to $47.5 billion, driven by growth in advertising and early returns on artificial intelligence investments. Their outlook remains positive, despite some caution on future costs. Microsoft also delivered robust earnings, with its Azure cloud division growing revenue by 39%. The company plans significant capital spending on artificial intelligence and data centers, signaling continued investment in cutting-edge technology. Shares of both Meta and Microsoft soared in after-hours trading, reflecting investor enthusiasm for their growth prospects. These results bolster the so-called Magnificent Seven mega-cap tech stocks powering market optimism. As the day progresses, keep an eye on earnings reports from Apple and Amazon, which will further influence market direction. Their performance will provide additional insights into the health of the tech sector. Thanks for watching StockInvest. If you want to stay updated on market trends and investment insights before the markets open, do not forget to press the notification bell and subscribe. Stay ahead with us.